them not coordinated, bro.
Bro.
There's no coordination.
At that. And you know the thing to that, we have some good individual players, you know.
Yeah.
We have some good individual players. It's just that as a team, they feel like them kind of disorganized. Them no work great together as a team, but you really have some good individual players on it.
Watch this now. You think the next thing about the Jamaican team, they have too much overseas base player on the team. All of them when they come from England or wherever they want to come from, them not have no relationship with the other players them. Bro, when you play upon a team, you see teamwork, bro, you have to know the person's skills, you have to know how the person function when they're on the field. Some of them, they just fly in and them a start. The thing next thing, bro, the Prime Minister disappointed.
Yeah, man.
The Prime Minister is disappointed. You know who disappointed? The opposition leader. the man say, when they ask Andrew Ollis, say, what do you think about Andrew Ollis? Andrew Ollis was saying that I'm disappointed of fuck. But you know what, my Prime Minister,
he can't say